my love, so welcome back. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel and happy Vlogtober. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a chill makeup and beauty haul, things that I've been picking up here and there. I got some things from Sephora, the beauty supply store. I think I got some PR. So yeah, just sit back and chill and get you something to eat, a snack or whatever. We're going to be swatching some things and I'm just going to show y'all what I got. Okay, everything is makeup and beauty related. So the first thing that I got here is from Five Below. I did pick up this makeup bag. This was over in the Halloween section. Of course, I do have a makeup bag similar to this, so I seen that they had this kind of design, so I went ahead and picked it up. The last bag that I got came with a comb, and this one comes with a comb as well. So my friends over at Whatup Beauty, they sent over their new highlighters. I have mentioned a few products from them before. I'm actually wearing their mascara today. I really like their mascara. So they sent over some new products. Like I said, they launched some new highlighters and they sent them over. This is their highlighter brush. And I actually like their makeup brushes. They sent over a bunch of makeup brushes like a few months ago, and I really do enjoy their brushes. This is their highlighting brush. I don't want to get it dirty at the moment because I want to try it in like a try a new makeup video. And like I said, they did come out with 2 highlighters. These are $34 each. It is talc free, clean, cruelty free, and vegan. It does come with a mirror, and this is what the first highlighter looks like. And then this one is Safari Sunset. They both kind of look alike, but they are different. So you guys know that Colourpop came out with a Haunted Mansion collection, and of course I had to get my hands on it. Like I had to. That's one of my favorite rides. This is the palette itself, and ooh, I had to get it. And then here are the shadows. I definitely want to swatch this shade right here. It's just calling my name. That one, and then this little sparkly shade right here. I want to swatch that. That is so pretty. I really like that. Look at the sparkle in that. That is gorgeous. I did pick up 2 Super Shock shadows from the collection. So this one is called Frightful. So pretty. My hands is still wet, so it might not show up very well. I'll just wipe those colors off. Ugh, gorgeous. And this is called Eyeing You. Ooh, it kind of look like the color in the palette that I just swatched. I like those. So pretty. So yeah, I got those shades, and then I did get a liquid lipstick out of the collection. This is in the color Summon Spirits. I don't want to summon no spirits, but I thought this color was pretty. So I got that, and I guess I'll swatch it a little bit. Ooh, this kind of looks like what is that color? It's really popular. Is it Lax from Colourpop? Am I tweaking? Kind of looks like that, but I got it because I like me a nice like burgundy shade for the fall time. And then the next thing I got from Colourpop is this Rock On palette. I thought this palette would be really cute for the fall time. It looks better online because of course you guys know they make stuff look better online, but I got that. It's just a nice warm everyday palette. That color right there is pretty. Those shimmers feel really soft. Not the best swatches, but that color right there is pretty. I wasn't expecting for it to look like that. So with that Rock On palette, I purchased that, and it came with 2 Super Shock shadows with that palette. So this one is called Sunrise Hike. I need to start using my Super Shock shadows because like what? I feel like single shadows are just hard to use. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh, okay, wait. That's gonna be gorgeous all over the eye. It's giving like bride, like bridal. The next shade is called Rocky Start. I can't read. This one is like a bronzy color. Super cute. But it's giving like a wet matte kind of look. Ooh, all over the eye. So let's move on to the beauty supply store. So my local beauty supply store has some new palettes, and these are from the brand Magic Collection. I have talked about this brand on my channel before, from the beauty supply store, and it came out with some new palettes. Now this is their Canyon collection, and these are not really like fall palettes, but you know, y'all know I like picking up new beauty supply store makeup. Let me see. What? Get out. Ooh, let's swatch this one. Ooh, so pretty. I can't tell y'all the name. This one is Terracotta, and then this one is Pale Blush. Ooh, y'all, this color right here is pigmented. That little color right there, $4. Y'all better go in y'all beauty supply store. I did pick up this LA Girl Pro Contour Powder little duo. This is in the color Deep. I feel like I tried this a long time ago, but I just don't remember like if I liked it or not. I guess I didn't, but I want to try it again, see how deep this is. Ooh, wow, that was very smooth. Okay, and I'm just like so into contouring right now because of the time of year. I have on a little contour today. I just love it. Okay, so Ruby Kisses came out with some new eyeshadow palettes. I went online and Ruby Kisses is killing it. And so they came out with some new fall palettes. They came out with this red velvet palette. I haven't swatched anything. I just kind of took all the plastic off. It's not giving red velvet. It's giving grape jelly. It's giving plum. Wow. Like even this color is swatching. Hold on, let me swatch a shimmer. Come on, Ruby. That is pretty. Okay, this one is Creme Brulee. I thought this color story was very interesting. Yeah, I'm excited to try this. So let's, y'all know I'm swatching this yellow. And last but not least, I have to say the best for last. This is Pumpkin Spice. Pumpkin Spice. I just hope that these colors deliver on my eyes the way they are swatching, because that is too good. And Ruby Kisses also came out with some velvet matte lip creams. I only got one shade because I know that I don't really reach for lipsticks and liquid lipsticks like that. Only this time of year I will do so, or like if I just really need it, but otherwise I'm grabbing a lip gloss. So I just picked up one. This is in the color Scarlet Rouge. Yeah, so it's like a soft, like I said, it's a velvet. Yeah, it's like a plushy kind of formula. And then speaking of lipsticks or lip products, Kiss came out with some new lipsticks. I think these are new. I don't know. I don't think they're repackaged. These are from Kiss, and these are some new lipsticks. And look at the packaging. Hold on, wait. Let me just show y'all. It's magnetic. Like, stop. Just stop. From the beauty supply store. Okay, so the first shade that I have is called Latte Foam. Latte Foam is giving fall. It's giving fall. Okay, so let's swatch it. Look at that. And I think these are matte as well. I think these are matte. I think. Next, we have Honey Glaze. Honey Glaze remind me of like a MAC lipstick. I don't know which one it is. Is it Honey Love? Is that what it's called? Am I tweaking? I know for sure MAC has a color like that. Next shade that we have is, this one is called Chestnut. This one is Chestnut, and I just dug my fingernail in this one. This one is a dark brown. They had different colors, but of course I had to get the basic colors. So those are some new shades from Kiss and from the beauty supply store, so be on the lookout. Okay, last but not least, I believe is from Sephora. I did get some samples. Yeah, I don't know where the other one is at. Oh, here's the other sample. I picked up the Laneige Peppermint Lip Balm. I don't even know what this smells like. I haven't smelled it yet, but I got this for Christmas, like, because the packaging and it's peppermint. I love like peppermint smelling things. Definitely had to get this for Christmas, so I don't even know what it smells like. Let's see. Okay, it's giving peppermint. I also picked up the Carolina Herrera, I'm sorry if I butchered her name, Good Girl blush. I smelled this back in June. Yeah, in June at Ulta, because I wanted to pick it up when it first came out without even smelling it, but I actually smelled it, and so I just went ahead and got the little travel size. I don't need the big size, so yeah, I just got the little, I got the travel, the little shoe. And then the last thing that I got from Sephora is I got the ABH Fall Romance palette. I told you guys I was gonna get it when I posted in my community tab, and y'all, can you believe I forgot about it on launch day? And I was like, oh yeah, but I ended up purchasing the palette. So yes, I will be trying this out in a video. And yeah, I really wish that the word fall romance was on the front so it could give me all the fall vibes. Like, I mean, I like the way the palette feel, but like, it's just on the back. Like, I would rather have it on the front. I haven't swatched anything. And last but not least, I did pick up some nails from Kiss. You guys know that Kiss come out with Halloween nails every year, so of course I had to pick up some. I only picked up 3 packs, so I already worn 1 pack. Yeah, not my favorite. I like the design, I don't like the shape. I'm not a big almond shape, you know, girl. So yeah. And then I picked up this design right here. I really like the orange. I'm thinking about wearing these on Halloween. So yeah, I wore that set. So this is the first set that I wore. And then I have my black nails. I gotta do my black nails. After I take these off, I might wear some nails from Temu. Then after Temu, I'll probably wear this. I think I wanted to wear these on Halloween. Then I did pick up this here set right here. This one is cute. It's like a nice everyday nail. And so those are the only 3 I picked up, and they did an amazing job with the packaging this year. I think they did such a great job. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Comment down below and let me know what you guys have been picking up, whether it's body care or makeup. Let me know. I would love to know. And if you guys are new here, make sure you guys take the time out to subscribe if you like what you see. And I will talk to you guys in a new video. Bye.